Hello guys, today I will show you my slime collection. Before I show you my slime collection, please subscribe my video and comment down below if what's your favorite slime when I do. And thumbs up for my video. And please 1,500 subscribe my video and thumbs up like that. So now I will first show you my slime. This one, like butter slime, but not butter slime. So now let's open. I can't open this, so that's magic. I don't know. So they get wrapper. Wait a minute. I will show that first, but wait. I put this one, that open. I will show that first. So now I will show this one. This one, show that. Show that. Wow, it's beautiful. How do you open that? It's simply magic. Okay, so let's dance. Okay, so this, I'll show you. Guys, this is the thing that this would do. Like gray on the top, and this one is pink violet or like purple. So now I'm gonna show you these guys, and then so let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. Let's see. Gosh, I don't know how to make it this one. Into the perfect. I don't know what I do. Do you see? It's green with it.
Crispy delicious, juicy delicious chicken joint paired with my favorite side. Chicken joint 99 peso perfect pairs.
Which one? This one or this one? This one.
Is it for like brownish color?
Head and Shoulders limited edition with icy mental blast. Helps
So let's
keep you
poke
100% dandruff and
for you guys. Let's poke for you guys. Adorable.
Crush more. For 20 pesos,
You see
you
that?
can get
I
shop
think
New Cornetto Cookies and Cream. Cookies and Cream, now in a cone. Sarap magpakilig. Tikman din ang New Cornetto Ube Leche Flan.
so now I poke. Please hurry this up. Let's stretch it more. It's so stretchy.
New Downy Perfume Collection.
I don't need to touch up
Sponge it.
perfume.
Go. That's sticky. I can't make slime with sticky because I hate a sticky slime. So I will make slime with a little bit sticky, but it's okay for me, but not super sticky.
New and best ever now lasts longer than expensive fine fragrances. Now in 5 pesos.
Into next round.
Easy sauce.
This is my slime. So
Our meatiest fresh
let's show
fried
it
rice.
up, guys.
I used
But
to
first, I can't open this. It's hard to open. So let's magic.
long-lasting
Oh, my hair is curled. My ears is curled. So it's a guys, it's a girl, but it's a girl. So please.
runway ready.
Oh,
Tresemme Carrot and Smooth.
it's Tresemme. It's my shampoo. So guys, please subscribe me. Thank you. That's me. You see? You see? So I opened that, but I'm not the magic. Yeah. She's opening the magic. Tell it. This is I said. This is a little secret recipe. It's mint color, and the smells like bubblegum mint. Like yeah. My sister come out with this. My room time is just super Java. Thank you. And now I will show you to search myself. This color. Pink color. For real is pink color, but the camera like white. You watchers like white color, but for real is mint. So now let's get to the next round. So now this is my next one song into white jar. Let's open it. It's super easy to open. It's super glittery like color slime.
Sino yan? Huwag kang matakot, magpakita ka.
I'm K-pop fans, but I'm not K-pop.
na hindi dapat nangyari sa simula pa lang.
I'm a half Filipino and a half American, so it's a My age is 10. My birthday is April 11. This is super exciting. And you watch my video, but I can't video that because yeah, celebrate my birthday.
Sinabi mo huwag akong matakot. Ngunit hindi kaya ikaw ang siyang nakakaramdam ng takot.
Nakakapagsalita ka?
Walang dahilan para hindi magawa ng isang sirena ang kayang gawin ng tao.
Kung ganun, bakit hindi ka nagsalita nung araw na yun?
Nagsalita ako. Ngunit hindi nga lamang narinig.
Ang araw na ito ay
You see,
masayang araw.
like frost slime, like poop or frost slime. Did you think, Mama show you, like my slime is frost slime or poop slime? Moga.
Pakiusap,
Moga.
iligtas mo ako.
You know the Mogap. If you know that, it's okay for me.
Narinig
The
namin ang
Mogap
isipan ng isa't
is
isa.
my favorite
Walang dahilan para
place
magsalita.
in my house. Like this, my house.
Naming
My
maaari
house.
marinig ang tinig ng mga sirena.
This is my bedroom.
Noong unang panahon, may lalaking umibig sa sirena. At narinig niya ang tinig nito.
So I put in a jar.
Ano nangyari dun sa lalaki? Umibig sa sirena.
Into the next round.
May sa ibabaw ng
This
dagat,
one
tinabog
is
siya ng hindi natin
the next
kumikita.
one. Yeah, like just one. I mean this one. It's really shiny. Did you think that? Did you see the glitter shiny bits in the back? There's a shiny bits and super shiny.
Sinusubaybayan mo ba siya?
Yes, so let's open.
Ano, wala pa rin mong balita. Wala pa po
What
hanggang
is
ngayon.
it? Thing?
Pero ano, ang punong bayan, meron po siya iniutos sa kanyang mga tauhan. Ano yun?
This is magic. That is gonna take my camera. It's scratchy slime. A hollow slime. This is hollow slime. I mean hollow, not horror. Hollow slime. I mean It's super stretchy, you know. You see that? If you know the Andrea X Andrea, she is my I'm fans of her because she's video or channel is my favorite. So I make some video or channel to make I have some lot of fans. I love the lot of fans for the video channel. See that? See that? What's that? Oh, lot of glitters. This time is $5 only. The glitters I buy. I will back soon, so bye bye. Hello guys, I'm back because yeah, I'm gonna make some food into the restaurant. Now, this is my t-shirt again. So now we use a color crunch.
Get wired, get energized, get Pond Smith. Take time
Did you
to
see the
enjoy
pond?
nice.
Did you?
Slow cook quick fix. Pure Foods chicken. Nice. So enjoy nice.
Did you hear the
Enjoy
crunchy?
Pure Foods chicken.
If you're not here, it's okay because it's crunchy. Yeah, it's okay for you to see the message. Just so now into the next round.
Shot after shot.
This is the next restaurant. Oh, okay. It's not fun.
Complex.
This is just slime, guys. I will make some slime without almost Lydia. Super stretchy. Did you see? Wait. So it's jelly, like jiggly, but it's stretchy. But not jiggly. It's jiggly where you see that. But to touch it or poke or stretch, it's not jiggly. Oh, I'm sorry. Again. So now, I'm sorry for this short video or squish or yeah. I will not help you guys. This is Joe. So let's get started for the next round. This one is my favorite slime. This is clear slime into the egg jar. So that one is I can open it. So that's
Can your
my
hair survive extreme heat? Dove Conditioner proves it can with these two orchids.
I'm
When
sorry.
exposed to extreme heat, it helps the orchid be
This
damage-free.
So now it's on. I will make some.
3 days, 20 pesos lang. Para sa triple saya, ito whole tropa. Uy, may brand bus?
Tulong para may tibay at lakas ang sumunod.
It's good. You see my face. Ooh. Did you see my nose? Yeah, you see that because it's clear. Let's see in the light. I'm sorry. So now into the next one. This is development. It's gold slime. My mommy.
Maglalagay ako sa digs dyan. Shipping
So now, bye-bye! Please subscribe my video and comment below. Bye-bye!